Good morning, students. Today we are studying about the section formula. Now we discuss the exercise 7.2, question number 2. It's very important for your board exam. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining 4, -1 and -2, -3. Find the coordinates of the point trisection. Trisection means divide the line into 3 equal parts. Trisection means divide a line into 3 equal parts. Here AB is a line segment and divide this line at the points P and Q. Here first we consider this P, A to P and P to Q, Q to B. Here 3 equal parts. First we want to find P. So P is the first point, and this A to P one part and P to B there is 2 parts. A to P one part and P to Q another one, Q to B another one. So here A to P 1 and is 2, P to B there are 2 parts. So we can take the ratio AP is to PB is equal to 1 is to 2. A to P and P to B. P to B how many parts? 2 parts. So what is the ratio between AP and PB? AP is to PB is equal to 1 is to 2. That we consider as M1 is to M2. And we know that the section formula, using that section formula M1x2 plus M2x1 by M1 plus M2, M1 by 2 plus M2y1 by M1 plus M2. Here x1 y1 considered as the line endpoint of the line segments A 4, -1 and x2 y2 considered as -2, -3. So we can substitute and the values of x1 and y1, x2 and y2. Here m1 is equal to 1 and m2 is equal to 2. So we can substitute the values 1 into -2, x2 -2 plus m2 is this 2 into 4 by m1 plus m2 1 plus 2, m1 by 2 1 into -3 plus 2 into -1 by 1 plus 2. So we can multiply 1 into -2, it is -2 plus 2 into 4 8 by 3. 1 into -3 plus 2 into -1 by 1 plus 2. That is -2 plus 8 by 3, -3 plus -2 by 3. Here -2 plus 8 it is 6 by 3. 6 by 3 what is the value? 6 by 3 that is 2. -3 plus -2 it is -5 by 3. So the point P is 2 -5 by 3. The point P here we can write 2 -5 by 3. And next we can find the value of Q. The point of Q that is A to P one part, P to Q another part. So how many parts from A to Q? There are 2 parts and Q to B another 1 part. So we can take the ratio AQ is to QB is equal to 2 is to 1. AQ is to QB is equal to 2 is to 1. Listen here, when we want to find P, we can take AP is to PB. A to P 1 part, P to B 2 part. So we consider here 1 is to 2. So second point Q. Q considered as from A to Q. How many parts? From A to Q? There are 2 parts and Q to B another part. So what is the ratio? AQ is to QB is equal to 2 is to 1. AQ is to QB is equal to 2 is to 1. So we can find the next point. Next point Q. Okay, we want to find next Q. Q is the another point. A to Q, how many parts? 2 parts, and Q to B, there is 1 part. So AQ is to QB is equal to 2 is to 1. Here we can use the section formula m1x2 plus m2x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1y2 plus m2y1 by m1 plus m2. Then we can substitute the values. Here what is the m1? Here in the second case we can use m1 is equal to 2 and m2 is equal to 1. So 2 into negative 2 m1 x2, 2 into negative 2 plus 1 into 4 plus 2 into negative 2 plus 1 into 4 by 2 plus 1, and also 2 into negative 3, 2 into negative 3 plus 1 into negative 1 by 2 plus 1. 2 into negative 2 it is negative 4, 1 into 4 it is 4 by 3, negative 4 plus 4. What is negative 4 plus 4? That is 0. The next 2 into negative 3 plus 1 into negative 1 divided by 2 plus 1. 2 into negative 3 it is negative 6, 1 into negative 1 it is negative 1, and divided by 3, the answer is 0, negative 7 by 3. So the points, the question, find the coordinates of the points of trisection. Trisection means divide the line segment into 3 parts. Divide the line segment into 3 parts and want to find the coordinates of the points P and Q. So the answer is P 2 negative 5 by 3 and Q 0 negative 7 by 3. Okay. Now we discuss another problem. Exercise 7.2, question number 9. Find the coordinates of the points which divide the line segment joining a negative 2, 2 and 2, 8 into 4 equal parts. Here one line segment AB, and this line segment AB is divided into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts. And we want to find the points P, Q and R. Then look at this P. Here A to P, how many parts? A to P, how many parts are there? Only 1. And P to B, there are 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. From A to P, only 1 part, and P to B, 3 parts. So we can consider the ratio AP is to PB, that is 1 is to 3. That we take it as M1 is to M2. And look at the second point Q. A to Q, how many parts? There are 2 parts. And Q to B, another 2 parts. 1, 2, 2 parts. So it is AQ is to QB is equal to 2 parts and 2 parts. That is 2 is to 2. 2 is to 2 means 1 is to 1. 1 is to 1. There we can use the midpoint formula. You know the midpoint formula. What is that midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 by 2. Then next point R. Here A to R. A to R. How many parts? 1, 2, 3. How many parts? There are 3 parts. So the first ratio 3 and R to B 1 part. So AR is to RB, that is equal to 3 is to 1. Here the question wants to find the coordinates of the points which divide the line segment joining A negative 2, 2 and 2, 8 into 4 equal parts. So we can find the points P, Q and R. P, Q and R. First we can find the value P using section formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So substitute the values of m1, m2. What is the value of m1? 1. And what is the value of m2? 3. And x1, y1 is negative 2 and 2. x2, y2 is 2, 8. So we can substitute 1 into 2 plus 3 into negative 2 by m1 plus m2. That is 1 and 3. 1 plus 3, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So here multiply 1 into 2, 2, 3 into negative 2, it is negative 6 and 1 plus 3 by 4. 1 into 8, 8, 3 into 2, 6 by 4. 2 plus negative 6 by 4, comma 8 plus 6 by 4. 2 plus negative 6, one is positive and other is negative, so we can write here negative 4 by 4, comma 8 plus 6, it is 14 by 4. 4 by 4 is equal to 1, negative 1. 14 by 4 cancelled by 2, we get 7 by 2. So the value of P is negative 1, comma 7 by 2. Negative 1, comma 7 by 2. Next, we can find the point Q. Q is the midpoint because A to Q there are two parts and Q to B there are two parts. 2 is to 2 means 1 is to 1. So we can use the midpoint formula. 1 is to 1. So in that time we can use the midpoint formula. What is midpoint formula? Q is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Then substitute x1 and x2, y1 and y2, that is negative 2 plus 2 by 2, comma 2 plus 8 by 2. Negative 2 plus 2, that is equal to 0. Then 2 plus 8, 2 plus 8, 10, 10 by 2, that is equal to 5. So the point Q is 0, 5. The point Q is 0, 5. Okay. Okay, next point R. A to R, how many parts? There are 3 parts, and R to B there is only one part. So the ratio is AR is to RB is equal to 3 is to 1. Here also we can apply the section formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, comma m1 by 2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So what is m1? m1 is 3 and m2 is 1. In this case we use m1 3 and m2 1. In the first case m1 1 and m2 3. So we can apply the values of m1 and m2 and also x1 y1, x2 y2 in this formula. 3 into 2 plus 1 into negative 2 by 3 plus 1, comma 3 into 8 plus 1 into 2 by 3 plus 1. 3 into 2, that is 6. 1 into negative 2, it is negative 2. 3 plus 1, 4. 3 into 8, 24. 1 into 2, 2. 3 plus 1 by 4. 6 plus negative 2. 6 is positive and 2 is negative. So we can subtract, we get 4. 4 by 4, that's equal to 1. 24 plus 2, that is 26 by 4. 26 and 4 dividing by, cancel by 2, that is 13 2s are 26 and 2 2s are 4. The point R is 113 by 2. 113 by 2. Okay. Students, now we discuss the another problem. Exercise 7.2, 8th one. If A and B are negative 2, negative 2 and 2, negative 4 respectively, find the coordinates of P such that AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB and P lies on the line segment AB. And A negative 2, negative 2 and B 2, negative 4. And also given that AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB. AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB means 3 by 7 of AB. From that we can understand AB, the line segment AB is divided into 7 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 equal parts. This is the meaning of divide 7 of AB divide 7 equal parts and P is at after 3 parts. AP is to PB. AP is to PB. 3 is to 4. P is on this point here. A to P there are 3 parts and P to B there are 4 parts. So we can take AP is to PB is equal to 3 is to 4. AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB is given. We can understand from the statements AB is divided into 7 parts. So A to P 3 parts and P to B 4 parts. So AP is to P is equal to 3 is to 4. Using section formula, M1x2 plus M2x1 by M1 plus M2, comma M1y2 plus M2y1 by M1 plus M2. Here we can apply P is equal to 3 into 2 plus 4 into negative 2 by 3 plus 4, comma 3 into negative 4 plus 4 into negative 2 divided by 3 plus 4. 3 into 2 negative 8 by 7. 6 plus negative 8 by 7 plus negative 2 by 7. 3 into negative 4 negative 12. 4 into negative 2 negative 12 plus negative 8 equal to negative 20 by 7. So the coordinate of the point P is equal to negative 2 by 7 comma negative 20 by 7. I think you understand all these 3 problems. They are very important for the board exam, so you should learn very well.